Poseidon, god of the seas, felt adrift. The once mighty roar of the oceans seemed a distant whisper. Prayers were sparse, temples crumbled. Even the mermaids preferred reality TV to gossiping with him. The world had moved on. Technology offered new wonders. He missed the old days, the clash of titans, the salty spray on his face during a good storm. Now cruise ships ploughed through his waves, their horns a jarring symphony. He longed for purpose, for a challenge worthy of a god. One day, gazing at a travel magazine left on Mount Olympus's communal coffee table, he saw it. Alexandria, Egypt, a city steeped in history, a library whispered to hold ancient secrets. Perhaps there he could find what he sought. With a sigh and a rumble that shook the heavens, Poseidon packed his trident, slightly shrunk for travel, donned a Hawaiian shirt, a gift from Hermes, and booked a one-way flight to Earth. Alexandria was overwhelming. The air buzzed with car horns, the streets teeming with people. Gone were the days when his mere presence inspired awe. Now people bumped into him, muttering about watching where they were going. He needed a job, a real job. His divine powers, once impressive, seemed useless in this new world. He tried construction, but his enhanced strength kept shattering his tools. He applied as a lifeguard, but the sight of him parting the pool with a wave of his hand terrified the children. He even considered becoming a weatherman, but his storm-summoning skills were deemed overkill and a tad dramatic by the local news station. Discouraged, Poseidon sat on the edge of the harbour, the scent of salt air a poor substitute for the respect he craved. Was there no place for an ancient god in this modern world? One humid afternoon, Poseidon stumbled upon an unassuming building. The Alexandria Fishery Archives. It was dusty, quiet, and smelled faintly of old paper and brine. A scent strangely comforting. He applied for the open clerk position. The elderly librarian, a woman with eyes as sharp as a ship's captain, raised an eyebrow at his resume. Extensive experience with marine life was an understatement, but gave him a chance. The job was unexpected. He struggled with the computer, his large fingers hitting multiple keys at once. He accidentally summoned a small school of tuna into the break room while trying to make coffee. Yet as he organized ancient scrolls, his fingers tracing maps of forgotten sea routes, he felt a flicker of excitement. These were stories of the sea, of its bounty and its dangers, told by the mortals who braved its depths. Poseidon's knowledge proved invaluable. He could decipher ancient nautical charts and translate forgotten languages. He even started a blog, Poseidon's Ponderings, sharing his insights about marine life past and present. To his surprise, people listened. Scientists consulted him, students flocked to his presentations, and his blog gained a devoted following. He even led beach cleanups, his booming voice rallying volunteers. He wasn't controlling the tides anymore, but he was influencing the future of the oceans he loved. He was a god, yes, but here among the mortals he was something more, a teacher, a storyteller, a guardian of the sea's legacy. As he watched the sunset over the harbour, a calmness settled over him. The old world might be gone, but there was a new kind of power in preserving its stories and protecting its future. And Poseidon, with a chuckle and a twinkle in his eye, was ready for the challenge.